Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure Xiaomi 14 Ultra for a senior person. To do this, first let's open the settings. Inside we can look for something like a simple or senior mode. But sadly there is no such thing. That means we'll need to adjust all of the settings manually. And first let's start with the display and the brightness settings. Here on the bottom we should be able to find the font settings and not the font itself, the font settings. So that means we can adjust the font size, and I'm gonna make it as big as possible. We can also switch to the different font type and adjust the thickness of the font itself. Now let's go back and scroll down to the accessibility settings. I think there should be an additional settings. Here it is. And then we can change to the vision. First is display size. I would make it as big as possible and save the settings. Then let's cover these. There's a talkback, select to speak or text to speech output. You can enable one of those or all of them, or just select whichever settings here you like. Talkback will basically speak out loudly any buttons you press. The same is for this one and this one. It's just different options for customization, so you can choose whichever one you like. Then we have magnification. I would activate that, which allows you to magnify onto anything by pressing on this loop button floating around your screen. Then press anywhere else on the screen and it will zoom in. If you want to zoom out, click on that same loop icon. Then there's a color correction, color inversion. If you need one of those settings or both of them, you can enable it. I'm gonna leave them off. Then we can remove animations to reduce motion sickness while using your phone. Activate high contrast text, which adds a black outline to all of the text, all of the font, and it's mostly visible here on the home screen. Then we have switch to speaker automatically. Device will switch to speaker when you move it away from your ear during calls. This feature works only with when talkback is on, so that means you need to activate the talkback right here, and then you'll be able to select that option. And honestly, that would be all of the settings I would recommend to change. Of course, you can go for this accessibility settings and experiment here however you want, however you like, let's say. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.